What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, get fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo.
Welcome back to my channel. We went to go get our passport pictures this morning and I had to get a pimple right here. That 1 week that I had to get my pictures taken. This is how the pictures came out. She was so sleepy. And right now I got her ready for her 2-month-old pictures. I'm fixing up the little bassinet. I threw this blanket here because I was gonna do it without the blanket, but I think it looks kind of cute like that, kind of like messy. And then I'm gonna try and use this little bunny as a little prop, and then her little 2-month-old. I think that's what we're gonna go with this month. gonna change your diaper. Te vamos a cambiar el pañal, bebé. Ah, you like your diaper change, bebé? See? It's dark in here, huh? ¿Estás bien miedota? Ay, qué bonita. Why are you so smiley right now? Did you have a good nap? ¿Sí dormiste bien? Wow. Oh, done. When they tell you like, oh, don't buy like newborn clothes or like 0 to 3 months because they're just gonna grow out of it quick and they're just gonna give you some for like the baby shower, like that is not true. A lot of people gave me a lot of big clothes, and so right now I'm like, great, like what the fuck, what am I gonna put on her? Like I don't have, like all my favorite outfits still fit her big, so yeah, just my advice is don't listen to people and buy whatever you want. But she was blessed with a lot of things, like most of her nursery, which also I have to still do the nursery tour. I feel like I just haven't done it. She just wants to look at the camera. Okay, look. You farted. You farted. You coughed and you farted. That was cute. That was cute. But when an adult does it, it's nasty, huh? All done. Quiero comerte yo todos los días. Me enamorabas por lo que decías. Buenos días. ¿Cómo amaneciste? We have Amberly's 2-month appointment today, and I'm just getting ready a little bit. I'm just sad that she's gonna go through pain. She's gonna get her shots.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just said a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just got a princess alarm. So being tamed, I'd rather be wild. This bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out, hate me. Bring my problems, suck my all of that.
newborn scrunch.
Babe, voy a hacer Ricardo delivery. Please open the door. Llegan mañana, ¿eh? Or I'll let you know.
Babe, I thought it was a testigo de Jehová. Oh, she farted. Oh, no more newborn scrunch. Okay, bye. Oh, my little baby. Let's do a little haul because I feel like I found some cute stuff today. We went to Walmart because I was gonna get like her medicine, and at the Walmart that we went to, they had cute stuff. Like the Walmart by where we live never has cute stuff. But anyways, we got these little pantaloncitos because there was like a little like a clearance. I think they were like trying to get rid of like the winter stuff. So this was $4 because we have like onesies, but we don't have like the pants. And then I found this one. They had a lot of these. This one's so cute, and I got it in the size 0 to 3 months because I don't have like small sizes, like cute clothes that fit her right now. All her cute clothes is like big on her. And then we saw that Goodwill over there as well, and that Goodwill was cheap compared to like, again, the ones over here in my area. Like a little cream color, and they were like $1.79. Another little pair of like brown pants for her onesies, so $1.79. Then my favorite one is this little, it's a baseball. We don't play baseball, but it looks vintage and I thought it was so cute. One of my sister-in-law gave her some white Converse for Christmas, and I just pictured a cute little outfit with this little thing for the spring. I got this little granja book. It's like a little farm book. It's cute, like the pictures. I thought it was cute. And these were $1.29. At the Goodwill here, they're like almost $4. That's why I was tripping, because this one was also $1. I like the little duck. No, the little bird, I mean. Vamos pues. ¿No te quiere cambiar el pañal, papi? ¿Tiene miedo? ¿Tiene miedo usted? Why? You poop more than her. Ay, mi bebé, le dieron su shot today, bebé. Ay, no manches.
Oh,
no
I
manches.
saw it from the other side. I was scared.
The one over there in her appointment was worse.